Hi guys, I'm here at Stock Smarts London where our attendees, our clients are analyzing charts, studying charts, and checking if there are certain buy signals. So I'll go back to them in a bit, but I want to talk about a certain stock first. So while we were going about our lesson for Stock Smarts, while we were talking about specific stocks that we wanted to buy, there was one thing that struck me because for those who attended the top 10 stocks for 2018, I mentioned this as something that was a fundamentally sound stock that was relatively not moving for quite some time yet. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Vistaland. Vistaland is a fundamentally sound stock that has one of the largest land banks here in the Philippines, but not just one of the largest land banks. Its net income has been increasing year upon year upon year, but not just that, it's very cheap. So it fits into our conditions that you're buying a good company that's growing, that has a large potential for growth, but not just that, it's relatively cheap. But here's the thing, while we were answering the charts last just a few minutes ago, here's something interesting. The stock that has been relatively sideways for a mid-term period suddenly started to turn bullish. But not just that, it broke out from the short-term resistance and it also broke out from a longer resistance at around 6.5 pesos per share. So this is something interesting that if VLL stays above 6.45, I really believe that it could still progress much higher over the next few days. You have to understand this. MACD showed you a cross up, showed you that it's bullish. ADX also showed you that there is momentum headed upward. Volume indicators are showing that money is moving in toward the stock, and not just that, momentum from the moving averages are pointing that there is price and a direction upward for the stock as well. So this is a good scenario of a breakout stock that has a large volume and a large price movement as well. So something very interesting to those who attended our Stock Smart sessions. It can be a way for you to practice any of our lessons that we talked about there in the past. So this is something that's fundamentally sound stock. It's not just fundamentally sound, but it's good, it's growing, and the technicals are now showing us buy signals here. So I'm gonna go back to our class now. I'm gonna go back to them analyzing the stocks as well. But I hope that this quick snippet of Vistaland of how it has broken out, how it has also showed you bullish movements, help you as you start to research the stock even more. And I hope this helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. This is Marvin Yermo from London, talking more about stocks, and I hope this gives value to you as you trade the markets with confidence. So see you all again soon.